There were nights when I can't help but cry, and I wonder why you have to leave me. Why did it have to end so soon? When you said that you would never leave me, tell me, where did I go wrong? What did I do to make you change your mind completely when I thought this love would never end? But if this love's